Dear brothers and sisters, there's a cry throughout the universe, through the whole world, to encounter the human God, to encounter divine in human form. And its sad scene is the scene of millions of people dying spiritually because there is no one to share the good news of Jesus with them. The harvest is plentiful, laborers are few. If Jesus were to write the caption for this sin, he might say, there is one cross, a crucifix in the chapel of the Father's residence. It has no hands, no feet, no tongue. And the wordings put up there on the cross, the side of the cross, I have no feet but your feet to take me into your world. I have no hands but your hands to reach out to the needy. I have no tongue but your tongue to tell people why I suffered and died for them. How do we let Jesus use our body for his work? Lord, our hands and feet are soiled by sin, but with them and use them, wash them and use them for your work.